Hi everyone, this is Deanne from Deanne's Digital Designs. Today we're going to work on a watercolor background. I'm currently logged into my Canva account. This is where I do most of my design work. It's an easy software to use for anyone, and you don't have to be that technical at all. You just need a few basics, and I'm going to go through those today as we go along. You will find a link in my notes if you're interested in checking out Canva. So first of all, we're going to set up our canvas size to work with. I'm going to go up here to create a size. You can do a custom size. And right here, you can put your width and height and keep an eye on this PX. Sometimes you want inches, right? But I've already got it in my history, so I'm going to go ahead and use 12 by 12. So now that we've got our canvas, we're going to go ahead and go to Elements. And we're going to search for watercolor. Put the watercolor. And I'm going to use Lucia Hatnisiak. I'm not sure how to say her name because I've pre-selected the watercolor I want to use. And if you pay attention here, I'm going to be resizing her image actually beyond the size of the canvas, which really doesn't matter because all it's going to show up on our final product is whatever we have within this area here. Now, just as an example, if I had just left watercolor by itself in my selection under elements, you would get thousands and thousands of different choices. You have lots to choose from to make a beautiful product. I had pre-selected it basically to to save time. And down here you have your screen size. So if you wanted to look at it up close, or I like to leave it around 67. It shows me what I'm going to have, which is perfect. Okay, for the next step, we're going to do a little bit of text. So we'll go over to the text option on the left here, just selecting the heading size, which is pretty large. I'm going to reposition it a little bit more to the right here, and it's going to be called Moments. Now, as far as moments is concerned, I'm going to change the color. So this little A here has a lot of color. And I'm going to use probably, let's see, why isn't it changing color here? Oh, there it is. Well, I'm going to change the font. As you can see up here also, we have a choice of fonts. I want to use a script, so I'm going to go ahead and do a selection by script. And we're going to use playlist today. Now this is much too small, so I'm going to take the right-hand corner at the bottom here, and I'm going to make the word much larger. Perfect. Now we're going to add some images, so I'm going to go ahead back to Elements. And for images, I do like to use the frames that they offer. So let me go ahead and get into frames. I want a square frame. Actually, you don't have to. I can see I have to user option here to apply the filter. All right, so let's see. This one looks like a rectangle. Let me go ahead and just select that one. Copy, use Control C, Control V for paste. I'm going to make 3 of them, so we'll do another one. Just align them this way. All right, and then we're going to go ahead back to Elements, and we're going to look for Mom. Pick some pictures from their system here, but you would upload your own pictures. Okay. This one looks pretty good. So when you pick these frames that they offer you, it will allow you to put the picture right into the frame. And when you double click it, you can actually move them to sort of center it the way you'd like. Perfect. And we'll pick another one here. Let's see what we've got. That'd be nice as well. Perfect. Okay, that one's rather vertical, so let's see if we can adjust it. Perfect. I just want to see if these frames are actually aligned. Oh, nope, I didn't want that. I want a vertical alignment. No, I did not want that either. Okay, what it's doing is it's touching other stuff on this page. So let's just pick, pick, pick. There you go. Perfect. Okay, so now I think this needs a little bit more embellishment. So let's go ahead and locate maybe some kind of a floral. All right, so what I usually do is I will search for with some elements in mind. So this one might be, it'll be a floral, sorry, floral, type, hand drawn, blossom. I think I'm going to use the one I recently used instead of looking forever. All right, so I'm just going to place this flower here, but you'll notice there's this little circles, double arrows here. That'll allow me to change the direction of it a bit. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and take this image and download it, and I'll show you what you can do with it after that. So we're going to hit download. We're going to pick a PNG. You do have more choices if you want to, PDF or whatever. I'm also going to improve the quality a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and hit download. Wow, that looks great. So we're going to go through a couple of options where you might want to use your new memory PNG image. I'm in Vistaprint's site right now, and we're going to apply this image to a coffee cup. So we'll pick custom mugs. And when you go to custom mugs, there's an area here for upload your design. And we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to place it on the front of the mug and Control C, Control V. We're also going to place it on the back side of the mug. Let's have a preview. So there's the front and the left and the right. And all it is now is just to place your order, and it looks amazing. Here's another opportunity for you if you're interested in doing something like this. I thought this was pretty cool. In the home and gifts section here, I thought I saw a nice puzzle design. And we'll just pick the 48 piece. And we're going to upload the design. Horizontal's fine. We'll upload our same design. And let's have a look at it. It looks pretty good. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and ring the bell for more. Have a great day.